You know the story. An old house undergoes a massive month-long retrofit and the homeowner's left with headaches. Not on this job. We used LG ductless and the install was a breeze. Installing LG is fast, clean and neat, and on top of that, extremely efficient for both heating and cooling. This system quietly conditions the air, keeping your home cool on the hottest days and warm on the coldest days. Check out the Boston Standard team as they finish yet another successful LG install. And yeah, those beautiful picture frames, they are what supply all of your cooling and heating needs without any need for another heat source. Beautiful, aren't they?